Good morning, student. Now, today we are going to study about the human respiratory system. Okay, so you know that the human, all the systems in our body, other systems are also present in our body, like digestive system, circulatory system, excretory systems. All the system are made up of different organs. Okay, so a system is made up of different organs, but the all the organs work together in the system and perform a one function. Okay, digestive system and many different organs are present in the digestive system, the small intestine, large intestine, stomach. Okay, but food pipe, but their what is the function of each and organ, that they have to digest the food. Like this here also in the respiratory system, different organs are present in the respiratory system, but they help into the they help for the respiration. Get it? So what are the now let's see what are the parts of the human respiratory system. The parts of the human respiratory system, first is the first, as we inhale the air, हम जो inhale करते हैं air, it enter from the nose के जो two holes होते हैं, these holes are known as nostrils. Okay, तो external nostrils, then after the external nostrils it leads to the nasal passage. Okay, nasal passage is the nasal cavity. Okay, after the nostril a cavity is there, that is the nasal passage. Then after the leads to the nasal chamber, then it leads to the nasopharynx, then pharynx. After the nasal passage there is a nasopharynx, then after the nasopharynx it's a larynx is present, it's a sound, it produces the sounds. Okay, and larynx leads to the trachea. Its trachea is also known as windpipe. Okay, we can say it a windpipe or trachea. Then after trachea, then trachea divides further divides. Okay, two lungs are there, left lung and right lungs, two lungs are there. Okay, then within two lungs, okay, this trachea passes into the lungs, the left and right lung. Left थोड़ा सा lung जो होता है वो थोड़ा small होता है, right lung जो होता है थोड़ा बड़ा होता है. Okay, so now then after again this trachea divides. Okay, it divides again into a branches. जैसे branches होती है, एक स्टैम है, फिर उससे क्या निकलती है, ब्रांचेस निकलती है. लाइक द ट्रेकिया एक स्टैम है और उससे अलग अलग क्या हो जाती हैं, ट्रेकिया डिवाइड हो जाती है अंदर ब्रांचेस की फॉर्म में. तो इट इज़ नॉन एज फर्स्ट प्राइमरी ब्रोंकाई. आफ्टर डिवाइड इट इज़ नॉन एज ब्रोंकाई, प्राइमरी ब्रोंकाई, सेकेंडरी ब्रोंकाई, टर्शरी ब्रोंकाई एंड terminal bronchi. Then these bronchi again divided, then these are known as bronchioles. Okay, bronchioles में फिर से क्या हो जाती है, divide हो जाती है. Then finally they open into the alveoli. Okay, alveoli, it is a very important part of the respiratory system. Get it? Further we'll study about it. So these are the part of the human respiratory system. Get it? Now let's see how all the organs works. Firstly, okay, so when we breathe in, we breathe through the mouth, yeah, or nose. Okay, so and air enters in the body through the nose or a mouth. Okay, then in the nose, hairs are present here, so all the dust particles that are present in the air, that are trapping by the hairs that are present in our nose. Okay, now your cleaned air is cleaned and warmed also. Okay, warm भी हो जाती है और clean भी हो जाती है. Then after when we breathe, okay, then after the air moves into the trachea या windpipe. कहाँ moves होगी, trachea से, यहाँ से आई है, enter हो गई है. अब now it comes to the trachea, into the windpipe, and the windpipe has also tiny hair that trap the dust particles found in the air. Get it? Then after this, when air, then after the air enter into the left and right lungs. Okay, there further they are divide. This trachea divide into the two parts here, and these two parts are known as, these two parts are, ये two parts, इसको क्या बोला जाएगा, ब्रोंकाई. ओके, ये इधर से डिवाइड हुई, ये इधर से डिवाइड हुई, ये क्या है, ब्रोंकाई. अब ये ब्रोंकाई फर्दर दिस ब्रोंकाई डिवाइड लाइक दिस एंड दीज ब्रोंकाइज further divide into the lungs, they are known as bronchioles. Okay, the tubes, these are the fine tiny tubes. Okay, then air enter into the these tubes in the bronchi, then bronchioles. Then each bronchiole, या you can say tubes branch further into tiny tubes that and अब ये जो tiny tubes हैं यहाँ पर क्या होता है balloon like sac like structure is present at the end of the bronchioles, and these balloon like air sac are known as alveoli. What they are known as alveoli. Get it? Okay. Yes. Then alveoles. This is the alveoles. Okay. So then when the air we breathe reaches in the air sac, now it's a alveoles. अब alveoli में क्या आ गया है? Air आ गई है, oxygen. Okay. अब now from this it passes to this oxygen passes to the blood vessels, because it having in the alveoli contain the blood capillaries. Okay, या blood vessels we can say. तो ये कैपिलरीज क्या करती हैं? ब्लड कैपिलरीज कहाँ ब्लड को पास कर देगी? ब्लड वेसल्स में. ओके, तो दिस ऑक्सीजन रीचेस टू द वॉल्स ऑफ द सैक इनटू द ब्लड वेसल्स. अब कहाँ आ गया है आपका ऑक्सीजन? ब्लड वेसल्स में आ गया है. ओके, गेट इट? देन फ्रॉम द alveoles, then the blood, then after this the blood carries the oxygen to the all parts of our body. अब blood में आ गया oxygen, then it's supplied to the all parts of the body. Get it? Then after it again in the cells again CO2 is produced. Then again from the blood vessel this CO2 is passed into the alveoli, and from the alveoli this comes again into the lungs, and from the lungs we exhale the again carbon dioxide out of our body. Okay, get it? So now this is a mechanism, you can say this is a mechanism of breathing. Okay, how do we breathe? हम कैसे breathe करते हैं? This is the process of breathing, and how all the organs help us in the breathing. Get it?